important to make sure your drill holes match the unit, not where each is at the point from the top to here. You want to make sure if you're using a tape measure, you get the center point from top to bottom. If this door is a little offset from this one, when you drill these holes independently here, then you have no way to fix the doors to make those doors align and the handles align. So drill equal holes on each doors, same places, and afterwards you will be able to go ahead and adjust the door that's offset. All right, so let's just get these in. Back here. Clean drill holes. You don't want too much of a big push through. Sometimes you can use a brace back here to make sure you don't have anything protruding over the screws. And then you put these washers on that they provide. Right, and simply just get one of these out your hand by getting it on there. Tighten up the other one. Shouldn't feel any tension, so if you're getting some tension, push on it a little bit. There you go. Alright, looks good. We're gonna go ahead and match it up with the next one. Same thing. Clean drill holes so you push it and you shouldn't have much protruding. That's good. There you go. Clean it up a little if you have to, but I don't ever leave too much hanging out there. You want everything to look finished as it should. There you go. If you get to one of these points where it's a little tough, you just do that and you're good to go, or use a rubber mallet as you should. And let's go ahead and do these points as well. Alright, let's get this out of our hand. There we go. Catch the other side. Tighten it up. Now let's see if our handles will match, if we need to make a slight adjustment on our doors. Wow, this one worked out well. Some reason, because I had moved this door in between when we were talking about doors earlier, and I moved this one to match this one became offset. That explains what I saw when I first put it on, and I'm like, what? Now if you back the frame up, you look here and look here and look at the results. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Another successful IKEA Pax Wardrobe, specified to this client's needs. Shelf for storage, clothing rod longer than the other side, soft closing drawers that we already showed you, pull out tray for shoes and other things like that, soft closing hinges for our doors. And that's how we do it at Freedom Earners. See you guys on the next one.